France has offered to integrate its 6th-generation ACE radar on 36 Rafale fighter jets of the Indian Air Force during their first mid-life upgrade. The French Air Force will also equip the same 6th-generation radars on French Rafale F5 variant in 2030. France has offered the Rafale F4 variant to Indian Air Force under the 114 MRFA program, in which the French firm Dassault Aviation is seen in the driver's seat, due to the previous 36 Rafale F3R fighter jets operated by the Indian Air Force. In a significant development, the Archer armed UAV has completed its missile carriage flight trials, and dummy weapon release and demonstration of weapons will take place next month. 20 units will be manufactured and supplied to Indian Air Force and Indian Army for user trials, and if it meets user requirements, then more than 100 units will be ordered. Bharat Dynamics has developed a high-altitude tank destroyer known as Sangramika, in which Achuk Leyland's 4x4 light specialist vehicle has been mounted with 2.8 km range MOG-3 anti-tank guided missiles that can penetrate 650 mm armor. Bharat Dynamics has also developed an armored vehicle-mounted laser-guided short-range anti-aircraft weapon system known as Sangramika, in which Mahindra's 4x4 Armado vehicle has been mounted with Starstreak laser beam riding anti-aircraft missile system. Indian drone manufacturer Redon Systems has developed a barrel-launched loitering munition system that features multi-barrel launch capability, so that it can be launched in swarms to overwhelm enemy defenses, and can target enemy hideouts and vehicles, as well as fuel and ammunition dumps. It carries a 1.5 kg payload, and has a strike radius of 30 km, and operational altitude of 3,500 meters. A private sector firm Pinnacle Aerospace is developing a self-protection jammer pod known as Aashraya for Su-30 fighter jets of the Indian Air Force. It is a high-band ASA and digital radio frequency memory-based jammer pod with advanced programmable coherent and non-coherent jamming techniques. It is also capable of integration with onboard radar warning receiver and avionics. The 500 km range Pralay short-range tactical ballistic missile will start replacing the Prithvi surface-to-surface missile by end of 2024 onwards. The production of the Prithvi missile ended a few years back, and all operational units of Prithvi missiles will be phased out completely by 2027. Prime Minister Modi has laid the foundation stone for the Tata Airbus C-295 transport aircraft manufacturing facility at Vadodara, and apart from 56 C-295 ordered by the Indian Air Force, the Indian Coast Guard's requirement could be around 18 aircraft, and India's Armed Forces Special Operations Division might also induct a specialized variant for supporting special operations. A maritime variant of the C-295 would also grab attention of the Indian Navy, as anti-ship missiles, torpedoes and reconnaissance and jamming pods can be installed on its underwing hardpoints, and a separate belly-mounted radar for maritime operations.
Omar dropped it.